Hello everybody. I'm here to show you a couple really cool tools that we're going to be using for distance learning. These are ways that we are going to be able to either send like messages back and forth or do video calls with each other. There are these two apps that I have on my screen right here. Now they're right in the center. They're called Google Chat and Google Meet. It used to be called Google Hangout, and they still kind of have that name with it too, but they're kind of doing both. So Chat and Meet are these two new apps. So the first thing you need to do is you actually need to download them or install them. So I'm going to go to self-service. Now, if you haven't been in self-service for a little while, there's a ton of new apps in here. But I'm going to go to Google. So you're going to look for the G's. So the first one is right here at the bottom of my screen, bottom left. It's called the Google Hangouts Chat. I need to install that one. And then the other one is Hangouts Meet by Google. Not Hangouts, Hangouts Meet by Google. The Hangouts one, they're actually going to be deleting that app soon. So Google Hangouts Chat and then then Hangouts Meet by Google. Once you have those two things downloaded, pretty much all of you will be logged in already. If you are not, if you open it up, you're going to see, oh, I'm already logged in. If you're not, you are going to need your email, username, and then password. Well, I shouldn't say username, but you're going to need your email and your password. Your email is this. It's your long number, the one that starts with a 64, and then a bunch of numbers after that. But you're going to type that with the @ ep-student.org. You might, if you need help, you can always ask somebody at home to see if they can help you just get that email, or like how to type it in. If you don't know what your number is, send me a message and I'll let you know what your number is. And then your password, it's your lunch pin number or like your iPad lock number, like if you push your home button and you have to put your code in, it's that number with the word learn, no spaces. After you are logged in, it's really cool. So chat works like this. So basically, when you open up chat and you're logged in the bottom right corner, there's a plus sign. It's red, blue, green, and yellow. I hit that sign. Then I can choose anybody on here that I would want to send a message to. So up on the top, I actually have all of you, but down here I have a bunch of the teachers. So Mrs. Sheehan. Let's say I want to send Mrs. Sheehan a message. So it says, that's Mrs. Sheehan's first name, Becky, but it has her email right underneath it. But in the very, very bottom, it says R, message Becky Sheehan. So I can just touch right where it says message Becky Sheehan. I can touch that, and then I can type her a message. I can say, hello, Mrs. Sheehan. I can send that message to her. And then on the very right side, it looks like a paper airplane. It's kind of a greenish color. I hit that, I would send the message to her. I'm not going to do that to her right now. She'd be confused. Underneath that message Becky Sheehan, there's some other symbols. There's an @ symbol. There, it looks like kind of like a square with mountains in it. That's a picture, so I could add a picture. There is also, now on the bottom, there is a picture of a camera. I touch that, then I can take a photo. And right next to that, there is like a square with a triangle, like a black kind of darker triangle like pointed into it. That actually, I can now send her a video meeting. So if I send that to her and she gets the message, she can open the message and her and I can actually do a video talk. That's what we are going to be trying to use. If you get this downloaded today, if you want to try it anytime today, go into this. All you have to do, so I'm going to click all the way back. In the bottom right corner, so once you get it open and you're logged in, it's a red, blue, green, and yellow symbol, plus sign. You touch that, and then you would just have to type in like my name, like up on the top. You would look up Ryan Johnson, and it would pop up. If you don't have my email address, I'm going to show it to you right now. And your families might have it. I would just type in Ryan Johnson. Actually, after I'm all done, I'll put that on and explain everything. But you'd put in my email address. After you get my email address in there, you could find me. I'm just going to pick another teacher quick. Ms. Huber. And then on the very, very bottom, I can write a message. I just have to touch where it says message, Heidi Huber. That's Ms. Huber's first name. Or I can do that, and then it's the square with a triangle. If I hit that button, I can request a video meeting with her. The other app is Google Meet. So I'm going to touch that. Now you're going to see me. So this is actually like this is the app where I actually do the actual like video call. So like if we were talking, this is what it would look like, and so there would actually be me on your screen, and I'd get you on my screen. You'd still be able to see yourself, like a little picture of yourself. There's a couple things on the bottom too. There's like a microphone. If I touch it, if it's red with that symbol, that means it's off, it's muted. So I can hit that, it's back on. If I hit that square with a triangle, my video is off, so I can always turn that off also. And that's all you kind of need to know about that part. I would never have used, because there's like a new meeting and stuff, that gets a little bit trickier, but this is how we do a video call like this. So I'm just going to show you here my email address. If you get this working today, I would love to hear from some of you. If you would want to try to do a video call, it will make the rest of this week easier, because that's one thing I'm going to try to do to set up with all of you this week is trying to figure out like how this works. But there is my email address if you want to try to get a hold of me and set up a Google Meet today. I would love it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will hopefully talk to some of you today even. Bye.